37% of projects fail due to the lack of defined project objectives and purpose. No one knows for sure how many projects were undertaken in the history of project management, but certainly you hear the word project very often. No two projects are ever exactly alike. The project can be of different types and categories with unique goals. A project is always a journey into the unknown future with a blueprint plan in your hand. Projects typically demand the use of resources that are scarce or expensive, but these resources have to be deployed over project timelines. The type of resources will depend on the type of project you are handling. If you are wondering about the type of projects, then you have come to the right video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. Projects are an active element in the implementation of a company's strategic intent, achieving better results, and increasing the company's competitive advantage or value. Broadly speaking, the project can be categorized based on 3 criteria. The first category is based on the type of product or services rendered by the project. The second is a type of project site, and the third is project management methodology. Based on products or services, projects can be grouped into 10 major types. The first category is administrative projects. The main purpose of this project is to improve the administrative process and gain high productivity on company operation. An example of this kind of project could be setting up a new ERP, accounting system, or deploying new email systems for employees. The second category is civil construction. These are very common types of projects with the main purposes to delivering civil infrastructure. They can range from very small size project to mega project, which runs in billion-dollar values. This group include project like building a dam, road, office, or residential complex. The third category is of software development projects. These projects are targeted to the IT industry with the main aim to improve the customer experience with information technology. For example, developing new antivirus software and mobile applications would fall in this group. The fourth one is design and engineering projects. These projects are highly technical projects with the purpose to provide advanced science and engineering projects. These projects are usually high value and long duration projects run through several years. Designing a new car model or SpaceX rocket is a good example of this type of project. The fifth one is system installation. These projects aim at installing some pre-manufactured or engineered products. These projects are sometimes become a part of bigger projects. This could be as simple as installing new lighting systems for your house or more complex as refitting a new engine to a Boeing jet. The sixth type is equipment procurement. These projects are intended to fulfill the material requirement of customers. Their main aim is to provide the best equipment or material at minimum cost. Procuring new aircraft or stealth ships are some of the strategic projects undertaken by various government bodies. The seventh one is event organizing. These are pretty common and obvious projects related to our day-to-day life. We hardly even realize these projects, and usually remember these as some events of our life. This includes projects like wedding events, parties, reallocation to a new office. The eighth one is maintenance projects. These projects are basically aimed at providing services or products to an existing facility. Projects like power plant maintenance, building repair work are common work done through these types of projects. Ninth is product development. These projects are driven through innovation and creativity. They are basically trendsetters and lead the generation with their product or services. Developing a new prototype Tesla car is a perfect example of this type of project. Your iPhone is the result of this type of project. The 10th is the research project. These are usually long-term projects which can spill over several decades. This type of project is very common in the clinical and medicine industries. Research of the corona vaccine is a perfect example of this category. These groups were based on the product or type of services rendered by the project. Next, the project can be grouped based on the type of sites. The project can be segregated into 2 categories, greenfield and brownfield projects. Greenfield is a commonly used word to describe a new project. A greenfield project is one that lacks constraints imposed by prior work on the site. Typically, what a greenfield project entails are developments on a completely vacant site. Brownfield refers to a project of expansion or revamping on an existing facility. A brownfield project is one that carries constraints related to the current state of the site. It is a property that is either contaminated or that people think might be contaminated. Common examples of brownfields include former gas stations and metal plating facilities. Third grouping can be done based on project management methodology. A methodology is a system of practices, techniques, procedures, and rules used by those who work in a discipline. Their aim is to assist project managers with guidance throughout the project and the steps taken to complete the tasks. Waterfall, PMI, Lean practices, Kanban, and Six Sigma are project management methodologies examples. And now you know different types of projects and how to categorize them. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend. And if you would like to know more about projects management, then visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.